Have you ever wondered where the future of cryptocurrency lies? Many believes that the evolution of Bitcoin in 2025 will be driven not by traditional powerhouses like the USA, but by emerging giants like India and Vietnam taking the lead. We'll delve into the potential of Bitcoin to reach $1 trillion valuation and an exciting collaboration with artificial intelligence. So buckle up for an eye-opening journey through the ever-evolving world of digital currency. First off, let's debunk some myths.
Tom, what is the movement in Bitcoin say to you? So we're at 91,000. What is that? What is that?
Yeah, Bitcoin's down roughly 15% from its highs, which for a hyper-volatile asset is a pretty normal correction, and it is slightly following global liquidity, but we're pretty early in this halving cycle. So to me, I think Bitcoin in the near term, again, our technician thinks 70,000 is where we can sort of make a stand. Means you're getting a big opportunity because I think Bitcoin's going to be one of the best performing assets.
Let me ask you a different question. For those folks who are watching who are not in Bitcoin or are thinking about buying Bitcoin at these prices, are you saying that this is a fair and good price to get in, or are you saying wait because you think it's going farther down?
You know, Bitcoin is something you need to be long-term focused. I don't think anyone's going to lose money buying here at 90. If they're trying to time this, maybe they'll get lucky and it goes to 70, but to me, Bitcoin could be significantly higher this year, you know, maybe 200, 250. So
USA is the sole powerhouse in the world of Bitcoin, but it's not true. Turn your attention to thriving market countries like India and Vietnam. Let's break it down. India, with its population of over 1.4 billion, has over 300 billion invested in cryptocurrencies. Insane. And Vietnam is ranked as the #1 country in the Global Crypto Adoption Index for 2023, as we know all about it. So, what's driving this massive adoption? For India, it's a perfect storm of tech-savvy youth, government digitalization efforts, and blockchain innovation like Polygon, which was created by Indian developers. In Vietnam, the story is different but equally fascinating. With limited access to traditional banking system, crypto has become the go-to solution for cross-border payments and remittance. Problems like transforming money securely and cheaply. This isn't just about trends, it's about necessity. These countries are reshaping the financial landscape by making crypto accessible to everyday people, and that's something even the biggest economists can learn from. Now, let's talk about numbers. Speculation and expert opinions are converging, compiling forecast. Bitcoin could soar to $1 trillion valuation by 2025. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's grounded in Bitcoin's unique characteristics that make it sought after investments around the world. Decentralized nature of Bitcoin, its limited supply, and growing institutional interests, all contributing to its potential to disrupt traditional finance systems and achieve unprecedented market capitalization. But hold on, if you find this info valuable, make sure to subscribe for YouTube algorithm. Let's back to the video. Imagine the intersection of two technological powerhouses, Bitcoin and artificial intelligence. The marriage of these two lanes is revolutionizing the landscape of crypto mining and trading. Advanced AI algorithms are being harnessed to enhance Bitcoin mining operations and optimize trading strategies. This fusion of cutting-edge technologies is paving the way for a new era in evolution of digital assets, enthralling enthusiasts and investors alike with its potential for unprecedented efficiency and innovation. As we navigate this dynamic landscape, it's essential to consider the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. With growing mainstream acceptance, Bitcoin presents intriguing investment opportunities, yet it also operates within a regulatory framework that continues to evolve. Moreover, environmental concerns related to energy-intensive nature of Bitcoin mining underscore the need for sustainable solutions as the cryptocurrency ecosystem matures. Navigating these opportunities and challenges will be instrumental in shaping the future trajectory of Bitcoin and the broader crypto space. As we concluded our exploration of fascinating world of Bitcoin, I encourage you to continue your journey through ever-evolving realm of digital currencies. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay engaged with the transformative developments unfolding in the crypto landscape. Whether you are an enthusiast, an investor, or simply intrigued by the possibility of decentralized finance, the world of Bitcoin offers a captivating innovation and discovery. Until next time, keep embracing exciting evolution of digital currency and groundbreaking potential it holds. Happy holding, and may the blockchain be with you. I recently started this journey. You can check out my recent upload here. See you in the next one.